Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faisi, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, LS College Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to give summary of conjugated additions and direct additions on carbonyl carbon. So you already know the conjugated additions. If a carbonyl group is attached with the alkene groups, means double bond, it is under conjugations. So how conjugation additions favored and how direct additions on carbonyl groups. So first point I will discuss about reactions conditions for reversible additions. So in case of conjugate additions, thermodynamic control, conjugate additions, thermodynamic control, high temperature, long reaction times. You know the thermodynamic control, high temperature, long reaction time. Conjugate additions, I repeat, conjugate addition favored by thermodynamic control. Thermodynamic control, important for the objective examinations for NET and JAM especially. The thermodynamic control, high temperature, long reaction time. An opposite way, direct addition to carbonyl favored by kinetic control. This one is thermodynamic control and direct additions favored by kinetic control. Low temperature, short reaction time. Kinetic control, low temperature, short reaction time. I repeat, kinetic control, low temperature, short reaction time. So conjugate additions favored by thermodynamics control and direct additions controlled by kinetic control, favored by kinetic controls. Clear, friends? Now, structure of alpha beta unsaturated compounds. Unreactive carbon oxygen means carbonyl groups, amide and ester. This is unreactive. Unreactive CO groups, amide, esters. In case of conjugate additions, unreactive. And reactive CO groups, aldehyde and acyl groups, when direct additions. Unhindered beta carbon. Here unhindered beta carbon. Here hindered beta carbon. Most important types of nucleophile. Here soft nucleophile. Soft nucleophile. In case of conjugate additions, you need soft nucleophile because soft relationship, you know, in previous video I already discussed about it. Now hard nucleophile need for direct addition to carbonyl favor. So hard nucleophile need for direct addition to carbonyl favored by. So what types of, so organometallic, which type of organometallic need conjugate addition? Organocoppers or catalyst copper one. Very important for competitive exams, especially NET and JAM. Organocoppers, dialkyl copper lithium, you know. Organocoppers or catalyst favor conjugate addition. Organocoppers or catalyst favor conjugate additions. Focus on organocoppers, dialkyl copper lithium, one example, and catalytic copper one for favored conjugate additions. This is the soft. Now organolithium, organard reagent, a very famous reagent, RMGX, organolithium, alkyl lithium, these reagent favor direct additions. So this is very important difference, especially for BPSC, UPSC, anywhere chemistry exams you will find such type of questions. So friends, just go through the conjugate addition and direct additions. Conjugate additions, thermodynamic control, high temperature, long reaction time, unreactive CO group, amide esters, soft nucleophile, organocopper, or catalytic copper 1. Direct addition kinetic control, hard nucleophile, organolithium, midnitrate. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thank for watching. Look at organolithium and midnitrate and organocopper. Remember it. And don't forget to share with your friend.